In this video, I will be showing you how I change the email address on my ChatGPT account to keep my login information current and secure. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin the process, I'll navigate down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on my profile name to open up the account menu. From the list of options that appears, I'll select Settings to enter the configuration panel. Once the settings window is visible, I'll look at the sidebar on the left and click on the Account tab. Here, I can see my current email address listed clearly. To start the update, I'll click on the small arrow located right next to my address, which opens the Edit Email window. Now, I'll carefully type my new email address into the input field and click the button to send a verification email. To finalize the change, I'll need to head over to my new email inbox, find the message from OpenAI, and click the confirmation link provided. Once I do that, the system will update my credentials, allowing me to log in with my new address while keeping all of my previous chat history and settings completely intact. It's a simple way to manage my digital identity without losing any of my important AI conversations. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.